and welcome. Today we are discovering ThredUP. Let's get into it. ThredUP is an online thrift store. They are sustainable and have extraordinary prices. I can't wait to show you these prices. Let's open the bag and see what's inside. Okay, so first bundle. Check it out. By the way, I actually chose these. I chose some dresses for work. I start work this coming week since after the pandemic, and I wanted just some like really fun and bright colors. As you can see, I ordered one dress and it's black. I love how they have stickers on here and it says sealing deals since 2009. Also, the tissue paper is super cute. I'm loving the teal polka dots. Oh, this one says gold digging since 2009. I love that. It's so cute. So the first dress is J. Crew Factory Store Casual Dress Size Medium. And I got it for $15.20. This was a great deal, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. The quality is absolutely amazing. I usually don't shop at these brands that I bought from ThredUP, but I need to shop here more often. This is my first time actually buying from ThredUP. So cute. Okay, well okay, so a lot of these said that they're like brand new, and this one said something about like minor fading, but so far I haven't really found anything so cute. I can't wait to wear this to work. I love the color. It's like a maroon color. And I love the pleating right here. So nice. Can't wait to try that on. Wow, this one is super bright. This dress is divided by H&M casual dress size 6, so size medium. And you guys, these look just like the picture. Honestly, this is so cute. Okay, it looks like there's some like minor pilling, maybe not, just maybe a little bit, but I don't even know if the camera is picking up how bright this is, but wow, this will be nice and lightweight for when it's warm out, because I like to go for walks on my work breaks. So like my lunch hour, I'll eat and then go take a walk. So this one was only $3.97. You guys, you cannot beat that. Like, that's amazing. So this next one is HIP, H-I-P, casual dress size medium. And oh my gosh, I've never owned an off-the-shoulder dress, but I finally got one and I'm so excited. This feels so soft, and I love the mauve color. I don't own anything like this mauve-y color. Look at the sleeves though, so nice. And I don't see anything wrong with it. It's like new, like you can tell maybe a little, someone wore it like once or twice. Honestly, this is so nice. It feels great and lightweight for the summertime. This was only $6. I cannot believe that, with 50% off. Okay, so this next one is J. Crew Factory Store Casual Dress size medium in this orange color. Wow, this looks kind of big. I don't know if this is gonna fit me, but wow, that does look really nice. I mean, maybe it's more of like a relaxed fit size medium, but we'll see how this looks. I really like the texture of the dress and I love the sleeves. It's really bright. This one was $10.50 with 50% off of the price. Okay, so this is the Old Navy casual dress size medium in black. This was like new also. I don't have, well, this is a romper, but I don't have like your little black dress, if you will. So this was only $7, you guys. I mean, so this was my first ThredUP box, so I got the code NEW, and it took like 50% off, which is really nice. So so yeah, I'll try all of these on for you and you can see how they look. Okay, so this is definitely a work style dress. I love this. This might be my favorite. I just love the style and the pleating's really pretty. The color, maroon. I love this color, like a burgundy maroon color. Which is really, really nice. It's definitely long enough for work. I also love how thick the dress is. Then you know like how good of quality it is. I could tell from the picture how good the dress quality would be, but this is just like over the top, you guys. You cannot beat these prices. So this is really nice and lightweight. Definitely a work dress. You can kind of see my bra here, but maybe with like an undershirt. But yeah, this is really pretty. And you guys really can't see how bright this is. This is like bright, corally. Definitely summer. Okay, so here's the mauve dress. It's a little short for work, but if you are going out on a date, this could work. I mean, for the price, you just can't go wrong. You're gonna fall off the chair. And I love this open shoulder, cold shoulder, so nice. Feels great, looks great, love the color. Okay, so this one is really nice. I love the color of this orange. Before I said it was kind of big, but I actually like the relaxed fit. I like how it's not too tight on me, especially in here, because that could get annoying. But I really like this. And like I said, these clothes, they look new. They're like new. So. Okay, guys, so I'm not sure why anyone would get rid of this dress. It's so comfortable. It's your little black dress. It's so lightweight. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to save $10, use my link or code below. Thanks. Bye.